Music. Cash Factory USA Express Loan Review. Welcome. Need cash fast? Let's look at Cash Factory USA Express Loans. Find links below. We'll cover features, who it's for, and my experience, so you can decide if it's right for you. Cash Factory USA offers quick cash for unexpected expenses or temporary shortfalls. Apply online or in person, with decisions often within minutes. Loan amounts are $100 to $1,000, depending on your state and qualifications. Money's usually deposited within 1 business day, perfect for urgent needs. A big plus is accessibility. Cash Factory USA works with various credit histories, even less than perfect credit. Flexible approvals make it an option if traditional banks say no. Installment loans are also available in some states, for easier repayment. Transparency is key. Loan terms, fees, and repayment are clear upfront, so you know what you're getting into. Important note, these are short-term loans with typically high interest rates. Carefully review the terms and borrow only what you can repay on time. Cash Factory USA is great for emergencies like medical bills, car repairs, or unexpected home expenses. It's a short-term fix, not a long-term solution, offering temporary relief when needed. Need fast cash for an emergency? Cash Factory USA Express Loans might be worth checking out. Apply using the links below.